How to add roles on a Discord server. Once you have logged into the server, here at the top opens the drop-down menu and go to Server Settings. Now go to Roles. Since we do not have any active roles, let's immediately create one by clicking on Create Role. Here at the top we enter the name we want to give to the role. For example, Administrator. We can choose a color to assign to the role and an icon that however requires the server upgrade with a paid function. We can show the members of the role in a separate category and allow anyone to mention this role. By saving the changes and clicking on View Server, based on the role we will be redirected to the server page. Through the bar here at the top we could select a specific role and see the private server as a person assigned to that role would see it. Returning to the role editing page, we can move to the permissions item. Here we could deactivate a ton of permissions of all types, which the user based on the role will be able to perform or not. After activating or deactivating them, always remember to save the changes to make them active. From the Manage Members item instead you can search and add members to the role you are modifying. If the video was useful to you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the other contents.